Switching gears, in a significant setback for the Netanyahu government, Israel's Supreme Court has suspended a government decision to shut down the country's decades-old and widely listened to military radio station. In an interim order issued late Sunday, the Supreme Court president said that the suspension was partly because the government did not provide a clear commitment not to take irreversible steps before the court reaches a final decision. And he added that the Attorney General supported the suspension on the government's move. Last week, the Israeli cabinet approved the closure with the shutdown scheduled to take effect before March 1, 2026. Founded in 1950, this is widely known for its flagship news programs and has long been followed by both domestic and foreign correspondents. With a market share of 17.7%, a government audience survey ranks it as Israel's third most listened to radio station. Speaking on the government's move to shut down the army radio, Prime Minister Netanyahu had said that there had been repeated proposals over the years to remove the station from the military, abolish it or privatize it. Netanyahu said that a military-owned radio station is a concept found in countries like North Korea and that Israel does not want to be counted among those.
Today, we are following the proposal of the Minister of Defense to cancel Galei Tzahal, a military station that broadcasts under the leadership of the army, a station that exists in North Korea and maybe a few other countries we certainly don't want to be counted among.
Notably, the government's legal advisor had opposed the move and warned that closing the station raised concerns about possible political interference in public broadcasting. In fact, she added, it poses questions regarding an infringement on freedom of expression and of the press. The defense minister had termed the radio station broadcasts political and divisive content that does not align with military values. Katz also argued that a military-run radio station serving the general public is an anomaly in democratic countries. Condemning the government's move to shut down the radio operations, the opposition leader called it part of the government's effort to suppress freedom of expression ahead of the parliamentary elections in 2026. Notably, Netanyahu has said that he will seek another term as prime minister.
This is part of an overall attack on the media, on freedom of speech in an election year. This is part of what is happening here in the Knesset and in the Communications Committee, that they will not stop at Galatz.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.